Detective Taylor tells, he's so great he never fails. He's proud and strong, tough and brave.
I'm the one that women crave.
Detective Taylor saving the world with his sidekick Science Girl. Detective Taylor fights face to face, putting evildoers in their place.
Stops time and fights crime.
He'll just blow your mind. He fights more crime than Scooby-Doo.
I got my eye on you.
Detective Taylor saving the world with his sidekick Science Girl. Detective Taylor fights face to face, putting evildoers in their place.
Detective Taylor.
Hello, ladies.
Detective Taylor.
G'day.
Detective
The
Taylor.
one and only.
Detective Taylor tells.
So, what did you do last night?
Fought some crime. You?
Yeah, for some crime.
I, Julia Gillard, Prime Minister of Australia, would like to say to all of the terrorists of the world, calm down. Calm down.
Hey! I was watching that.
Listen, right there was real crap.
What? Why?
Look, I have my reasons.
Like what?
She's a ringer. Yeah, that's right. She's a ringer.
Are you serious? So because she's a ringer and she has big earlobes, you don't like her?
Man, look, it's not really just her, okay? Look, they just sit around acting like they're real people. I just think it's disgusting. It's real disgusting, you know? Alright, I rest my case. That's right.